Google has announced that it is now selling audiobooks in the Google Play Store, completing its offers of movies, music, TV and e-books. The new titles are available on Android, iOS and the web. They are also available through the Google Assistant, the largest product of the company at this time, which means you can play an audiobook on your smart speaker, continue in your car and continue listening to your phone. To accompany the launch, Google offers very large discounts on many audiobook titles. Ready Player One costs $6.99, Fire and Fury has $8.99 and Astrophysics for People in Hurry is $7.77. Google also offers a 50% discount on your first audiobook purchase. Audiobooks can be shared with the same family library rules that apply to other multimedia content that Google sells. Google is following the model of Apple's iBook that allows customers to buy audiobooks without a subscription. You can also do so with Audible Books, although Audible, which is owned by Amazon, is quite aggressive in pushing customers to sign up for a full subscription. Based on a Google Play audiobook demo that I saw, it seems that Google has lost most of the basics. You can listen to books at a speed of up to 2x and set a timer to sleep at night. You can synchronize your place on various devices. What it cannot do, unfortunately, is to synchronize its place between an electronic book and the audiobook, since they are completely separate offers. Although Google Play audiobooks work in most places that you would like, there are some caveats. First, it will only work with the Google Assistant on Android phones, not iPhones, and only in English to start. And although it will soon reach the Android Auto Assistant in the US, it will not be there at the launch. However, the Google Play Books application will work with the normal touch interface.